I'm gonna do some more Reiki on him. He's a little sweetheart. Oh, he's got a little perky. I think he wants to maybe fly. I just wish I knew how to record videos better, but I'm not supposed to have my face. I don't want my face. I want you to see the bird instead. Yeah. My buddy. And then my little boy, Bruce, is right next to us. He always knows when I'm saving birds. He actually lets me know in the house if I don't think I've heard the bird hit. He will come to me, and anytime he comes to me quickly like that, I always know something's up. So I always check outside right away. Sure enough, most of the time there's a bird. I think he's getting ready to fly. Hopefully we'll be able to get this on video.